जय भगवान जी की जय। अंजन पुत्र पवन सुत नामा महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी। बाबा के पैर छू। कंचन भरत बड़ाई शुभम प्रिय भरत संग साच बदंत गुरु जस गामी अस्ते श्रीपति कंठ वाले उतना निया भूपा थारे।
कैमरा देखे तो हाय बोलती। Waiting for Pooja, they're coming in the other car because the problem I told you, right? Naisha can't sit in this car for now. Pooja thinks she's better off in the i20, i10 Grand. This car, even Pooja feels a little bit of motion sickness, and Naisha, though I told you, she pukes like at least 7 or 8 times in an hour. Last night, new place, I couldn't sleep at all. See my eyes? I don't know if you can see it, but I slept for what? Hardly 3 or 4 hours. Like, that is the reason I have to travel. When I travel, I don't have all these problems. Okay, Pooja is here, finally, with the baby. Baby is sleeping, luckily. Was she fine in that car?
She was absolutely fine in that car. I told you, that's who went in that car.
Now we have to get a new car for her.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah, easy, yeah.
तू श्रीमान कोठारी उसमें बड़ी बात क्या है तेरे को?
श्रीमान कोठारी शाहरुख खान सोच रही है. See, most of the time I get nice comments, positive comments on my videos. Yesterday I got one comment. Someone said, it seems I travel, I buy bikes, I do all this because you fund me.
What? Really? That's news to me.
It seems you give me all the money and I do all this time pass. Going for trips.
Who's this great person?
She didn't give me money for petrol for one trip also. आज का वर्कआउट भी खत्म हो गया and I feel really good and positive. And nowadays all of my vlogs are starting with a workout, but that's how my day starts and no hiding in that. By the way, I have 2 of these boxes that I need to unbox. This is from Wow Skin Science. I'll be unboxing this later. You already understood, right? Of course, promotion hai. But really good product, so I'll be doing this maybe in a couple of days. For now, we have something more interesting and exciting. You see this huge box? Thank you, Triumph India, for sending me such amazing gifts. Really means a lot and I really feel privileged. Let me unbox and show you some really cool stuff. That's a cool cap. But then that's a 1550 rupees cap. A t-shirt. Do I need to remove this and show? Main thing is size L. Perfect. I can wear M now, but still, chalo, this is okay. One more t-shirt. Oh, gloves. How do you guys know my size? Perfect, XL. All my body is L or M, but I have this huge Bahubali hands and legs. I wear XL gloves and my shoe size is 11.5. Right, I'm wearing 11, but perfect snug fit. This is a question bank. What are these tags here? 6,000 wala gloves. You know, people get offended. I don't understand, yaar. When I say prices of something, if I don't say the prices, people will ask questions, send me DMs saying, Shriman bhai, wo kitna hai, ye kitna hai. That is the reason I put it in the title. And I'll be honest, one of the main reasons I put it in the title is because a lot of people like to click on something like that. If I just write gloves, are you gonna click? No. If I say 20,000 rupees wala gloves, you'll definitely want to click it and check it out. I need a view. Nothing wrong in it. That's how we make money, right? Let's be honest. This mein fake ka kuch nahi hai. What else? That's it. Oh, there's a bandana. Exactly like this. Everything is so expensive, yaar. Of course, it's a gift, but just to say, 1,400 rupees. Oh, nice. Check this out. It's a cute little Bonnie T100. This is one amazing bike here. Classics, nothing can beat Triumph. So for now, I'll put everything back, and first thing I have to do is look at my hair there. It's grown everywhere. To go get a haircut first. That's beautiful, yeah. 120 FPS shots coming up. So I'll see you guys after the haircut. Alright, that looks nice, clean and fresh. It's gonna take some time to settle down properly. Fresh cut is always not that great. And nothing new here. You guys know my typical hairstyle. Short in the sides and long in the middle. Somehow I feel this haircut suits me well. Okay, now we have something very important to do. Let's talk in the car. So here's the thing, if you see in my previous couple of videos, I've been complaining a lot about something, not able to travel. The reason for that, you guys know, COVID selva, I don't want to go out, don't want to take risk, because see, traveling is not a problem, but accommodation is definitely a problem, because we're not sure how people maintain the place. So there are a couple of people who follow me from Oyo. These people watched that video and they called me yesterday, they told me, Shriman, we are doing our best to make sure our stays are very clean and sanitized. Why don't you come take a look at our property and you yourself see how things are being done, what all rules we are following, how our staff is following social distancing. And I felt it is right, you know, now things should start moving. And not that I'm asking you people please go out and travel, but they said we want you to showcase the necessary things that we are doing to make India a safer place to travel. Apart from this, what I liked about Oyo is they told me it's not just for travel, Shriman. In case someone is coming from out and they wanted to do a self-quarantine, Oyo is there for you. Road pura empty है, so I came in what 20 minutes literally from my house for 10 kilometers. Okay, so this is a place called Capital O Che Sigma Hotel, CHE. Do not forget to take your mask and go. I think they'll still provide. Outside is not allowed. I think they'll provide a mask and all that, but still it's better to carry your own stuff. Oh, nice temperature check. How much is it?
93.
93. Increasing? Why is it increasing? Booking ID, 1 second.
Sir, ID proof, email ID.
ID proof, I can send it online, right?
Yes, sir. Che Sigma Hotel, sir.
Okay, I'll send it to the email ID.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's a great thing. They're sanitizing the key as well. That's nice. They are sanitizing. I hope they're doing this every day. Okay, as far as what I've seen in the reception area and all that, they're definitely maintaining some nice hygiene, and I've seen those social distancing circles. Of course, I'm not going to stay here, but obviously I have to do all the procedure, right? Though they're giving me the room for 24 hours, my house is just here, so I thought I'll just check it out and go back. Till you get into the room, I feel it's better you wear the mask. Every room after a checkout, they sanitize everything, they're changing the linen and all that, the pillow covers. Now, do you want a room tour? Nothing much. Very economical room, basic stuff. Tissues, glasses, a tray, 3 chairs, a trash can, a small TV, a big king size bed, room service, a cupboard, big enough. I know this brand, Daikin AC. I recognize this from the remote actually. Exactly the same one in my room. Main important thing, the washroom. Looks clean, and the most important thing when we need to travel, a nice spring mattress. Yeah, pretty good. Looks all fresh and clean. Overall room rating as per rating by the Shriman, I think I'll give it, let's be honest, for the price you pay and all that, I think 7.8 out of 10. And I'm not sure if my code is active and all that. I'll check with Oyo. If that is active, you can use it. Not just here, but anywhere, all Oyo rooms across India. Only if it is unavoidable and you have to travel, only then travel and you can use the code. In case you need a quarantine place, Oyo is there. Sanitized properties. Good job. The best part is the check-in can be done contactless. They're accepting digital payments and you can submit ID proofs and all that online. Also, I was talking to the manager here. He told me that they're properly following social distancing and also enforcing that to the guests here. Oh, you're staying here?
Yes, I am staying.
Okay, sorry. I just want to ask you a question. And sanitization, did they come into the room and do it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. Good. Okay, thank you.
Have a good day.
I wore the gloves, but still, let's sanitize. कैसे हो गया यार जिंदगी, seriously. Wearing gloves, wearing a mask, using sanitizer all the time. एक छोटा सा virus that can't even be seen. हलचल कर रहा full on. Second important thing I need to do is go to Decathlon. You remember this? Okay, he got a new equipment here and is challenging me to do a pull-up. I need to get that pull-up bar. Luckily, Decathlon happens to be somewhere around. You know, the best part about Decathlon is you get all this sports equipment for such a cheap price. Actually, this is what I need, but this is too big. This is fine, but then one side it doesn't have this rubber. It should be like this. It's like this, and it costs 2,000 rupees. Okay, plan flop. I think I'll order it online, or maybe I'll go to another store in Secunderabad. For now, let's go home.
Dura, dura, distance, distance, distance.
You know this snack, right? Oats, peanut butter, protein powder and hot water. And one more thing I have to show you, very interesting. When you have a small infant at home, you have to do a lot of jugaad. For example, you see this? We had to get these whatever corner protectors, corner cushions, because otherwise the baby keeps hitting these corners. Cushions everywhere. Here, here. These are the places where Naisha keeps going. Nowadays she's pulling all these chairs. She's trying to stand, so we also stop sitting on the dining table. Everything is like protected. Can't help it. Karna padega. Chalo, let me have my fourth meal and then I'll change and we'll play badminton for some time. Okay, we are done with the workout. Both of us played proper badminton for around 34 minutes, 56 seconds. That's like 300 calories. Some of you people ask me what is total calories and what is active calories. Total calories is, it counts even if you're not working out, like at rest. And active calories is the one which is like when you're actually moving or playing. A lot of my subscribers had a question about my dad. How does he stay so young? How does he stay so happy? I've never seen him like sad or depressed and all that. And that is my motivation all the time. How do you stay so young? That is one big question everyone has. People were saying, first let me switch off that music.
Yeah, this is the music which I hear.
We listen to music like this and play badminton.
2 hours.
But then I'll get copyrights.
First thing, you need to be risk-taking, very daring. Don't misunderstand. I used to just give my bullet to this fellow when he was very small, But I used to control from backside. This society, they make you cripple. They always suppress you. There's a lot of negativity around you. Just be yourself. Go ahead and do all good things.
That is the reason when I take the bike and go to Ladakh, China border and all that, no one stops me. They give me more encouragement. They push me to do all these things. I wanted to do X business, Y business. He was always supportive. That is the reason today I'm happy inside. I feel the way he's looking young and all that, he doesn't take tension at all. Yeah, never have seen him in tension. I think that is the secret. If you take so much tension and if you take so much of stress, then slowly you get white hair. That's what is happening to me now. And you'll have hair fall. Am I correct?
Yeah, exactly. And if some parents are listening, I'm a parent. Please give freedom to your children, but always keep a tab. Just see that they are in the right track. If they are in the right track, just push them. Give them a lot of energy. Give all your resources. They will become like this. Thank you.
Any more questions? I'll ask him later, next vlogs. Alright? Sorry for all this sweat on my face. We've been playing for almost half an hour, 45 minutes. That's how dad is, but mom is completely opposite. She always gets scared. She doesn't allow me to go anywhere. Because of dad, now she's allowing. Am I right?
Yes.
See, even now she's tensed.